video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw on Hawkit. Hawkit is all about social media job that pays you to perform social media tasks. Normal thing you do on your daily activities like liking people's posts, commenting, sharing, and rating their posts on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Hawkit pays you to do all those things using their platform. When you perform posts on your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, you get paid 100 naira. On your WhatsApp, you get 50 naira. So I will be showing you how to withdraw on this platform and how to put in your bank details so that whenever you withdraw, you get your money direct to your local bank account as in Nigeria. Right now, I want to withdraw this money, but I'm withdrawing 4,000 naira. All you need to do is to click here that say withdraw. Once you click there, if you do not have your account here before, then you click on this place that say edit. Okay, once you click on edit, it will bring this place. So what you have to do, you have to select the bank, like the person bank is Wema Bank. Then you put in the account details on this place. Then you click on verify. A code will be sent to your email. All right, now you can see that it has bring out the person's name. Then you click here that said update account here, then you receive a code on your email. Then you enable it and say go to your email. Now you have to go to your email. This is the code. All you need to do is to copy it. Once you copy it, you go back. Once you come back, you enable it here, continue. Then the account has been updated successfully. Then you click here that says, you click on this arrow sign here to go back. Once you click on the arrow sign, it will take you to your, so whenever you place the withdrawal, is this person that is going to receive the money. So you have to put the amount you want to receive here, then enter your password on this place, then you click on withdraw now. I want to withdraw 35 from here. After that, then they will charge you 11 naira for this withdrawal. You can see 11 naira here. Then you click on withdraw and wait for another OTP will be sent to your email. So copy the OTP sent to your email, then you come here, enable it and click on continue. You can see successful, our money has been withdrawn and it will be on our bank within 24 hours. So when we go back, you can see this is just 3,000 naira we have here. So this is how to enable your bank details and withdraw on Hawkit. You can see that the amount we just withdraw is a waiting process, and you can see all these ones have been paid to our local bank accounts. You can see 6,000, 9,000, so many has been paid to our bank account. So this is a very good opportunity to jump in on this Hawkit. It's a very good platform. I've been using this Hawkit since last year and it's legit. Go and try it out and thank me later. So if you have not yet registered on this amazing platform, you go to hawkit.ng, create an account and use my invite code glory54 so that whenever you register you get extra bonus from this platform. If you have any question, kindly drop it on the comment section. You can also resell products on this platform. You can also resell quality products on this platform. You can see t-shirts, everything, and you make more money on this platform. Like, share, and follow me for more money making tips updates. Ciao, ciao. See you on my next video.